The Toyota RAV4 key fob battery replacement is a simple DIY task. First, identify your fob type. Most 2020-2024 RAV4 fobs have a small notch or screw on the back. Use a small flathead screwdriver or pry tool to gently open the case at the notch or by unscrewing it. For hybrid models from late 2024 onwards, the opening mechanism might be tighter, requiring careful prying. Once open, you'll see the coin cell battery. Be careful to avoid static discharge, which can damage the fob's electronics. Cover the panic button to prevent accidental activation. The RAV4 key fob uses a CR232 3V lithium coin cell battery. Remove the old battery using a non-conductive tool, noting the correct polarity with the positive side up. Insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side faces up. Reassemble the fob by carefully snapping the halves back together or reinserting and tightening the screw. Test the fob by locking and unlocking your RAV4. If the fob doesn't sync, try resetting the vehicle or consult your Toyota dealer. Remember to use OEM or high-quality batteries to avoid compatibility issues and premature failure.